Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. If you're as excited about the latest in drone technology as I am, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving deep into the world of compact drones with an in-depth look at the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI has long been a leader in the drone industry, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in compact aerial technology. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is set to redefine the mini drone segment once again. Let's explore the exciting features, rumors, and what we can expect from this groundbreaking drone. DJI Mini 5 Pro, a new era in mini drones. DJI has always been at the forefront of innovation in the drone industry, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. This new model is expected to bring significant advancements that will appeal to both professional content creators and hobbyists alike. From its advanced camera system to enhanced flight capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be a game changer in the world of mini drones. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to come equipped with a groundbreaking 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from previous models. This larger sensor size will enhance the drone's ability to capture detailed and vibrant images, even in low light conditions. For video enthusiasts and content creators, the Mini 5 Pro is set to offer crisp 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. This high frame rate will enable smooth and cinematic video capture, perfect for creating high-quality content that stands out. Whether you're shooting dynamic action scenes or serene landscapes, the Mini 5 Pro's video capabilities will elevate your footage to a professional level. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will come with either 8 GB or 16 GB of internal storage. This upgrade will significantly enhance the user experience by allowing for more extended recording times and reduced reliance on external storage devices. Despite its advanced features, the Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to offer excellent value for money. With its impressive camera system, increased storage, and extended flight time, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to deliver a high level of performance without breaking the bank. For the latest updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, including official announcements and detailed reviews, make sure to stay tuned to Tech Titan Reviews. We'll be providing in-depth coverage and hands-on insights as soon as the Mini 5 Pro hits the market. If you're passionate about the latest in tech and drones, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. We'll be bringing you the latest news, reviews, and tutorials to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. That's it for today's deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Thanks for joining us on Tech Titan Reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.